5 things to know about Vidnami before you think of buying. 1. Automatic captions. Vidnami automatically transcribes your clips and effortlessly creates captions. 2. Intelligent clip selection. Vidnami uses artificial intelligence to read your text and automatically selects video clips from a library of over 978,000 clips. 3. No video editing necessary. Vidnami automatically combines your text, clips, voice track and music to come out with your video. No video experience needed. 4. Make it your own. Easily add your logo, choose colors, select fonts, and insert your own clips, images, or music to make your video unique. 5. Music for every occasion. With over 30,000 royalty-free music tracks from Storyblocks to choose from, you will always have the perfect soundtrack for your video. If you are still wondering about how you are going to learn how to use Vidnami, the software comes with a full tutorial on how to make various collections of videos. Better still, you can check on this channel on how to make specific high-quality videos within 5 minutes using Vidnami. If that sounds great to you, check the link below to get Vidnami for a 25% lifetime discount. And please like, subscribe and comment what your point of view is and we will try our best to respond to you.